Let us now understand Chrome's V8 engine. Now, until now, we are writing JavaScript code, we are running, and we are able to get the result. But we also know that whatever code we are writing, that is not understood by the computers because computers can only understand zeros and ones. Then, how we are able to get our JavaScript code? So, what happens whenever we are executing JavaScript code in each and every browser, we will be having JavaScript engine using which our JavaScript code will be executed. If that engine is not present, then we will not be able to execute our JavaScript code. So this JavaScript engine is nothing but it is a program which is going to convert the JavaScript code which we have written into machine code so that our computer can understand what we are writing and it will be performing that specific task. So in simple terms, you can say using JavaScript engine, we are able to execute our JavaScript code. And these are different JavaScript engines which are available. We have V8 engine, we have SpiderMonkey, we have JavaScript code. In short, you can call as JSC. And then we have Chakra. So this V8 engine, it is used by Google Chrome, it is used by Microsoft Edge, it is used by Brave and Opera, and this V8 engine was developed by Google and it is present in Chrome browser. Then we are having SpiderMonkey. It was developed by Mozilla and it is used in Mozilla Firefox. So these are the engine names which are available inside the browsers. Then we are having JavaScript core and it is developed by Apple, which is used in Apple Safari and also it is used in WebKit based browsers. Then we are having Chakra and this is developed by Microsoft and it is used in old versions of Microsoft Edge. In this course, our main focus is to learn Node.js and Node.js is nothing but JavaScript runtime environment which is using V8 engine and this engine was created by Google's Chrome browser and this was released in 2008. And why we are focused only on this V8 engine, let us understand that. So here I will open v8.dev. Okay, this is the documentation for V8 engine. You can just go through this. I will click on this docs and inside this we are having all the information related to V8 engine. It is nothing but Google's open source high performance JavaScript and web assembly engine which is written in C++ and it is used in Chrome and in Node.js and also it is used by others. I will just scroll down and here I'm just going to click on this checking out the VS source code. Again I will scroll down and here we are having using Git. I will just click on this link. I will be redirected to GitHub. I will just scroll. Below this, I am having some points. V8 engine is nothing but it is Google's open source code JavaScript engine and this V8 implements ECMAScript as a specified in ECMA 262. So this is the reason I told you to understand how this ECMAScript was created and what is this ECMA 262. So this ECMA 262 is nothing but it is a standard language specification and ECMAScript is the language which is going to implement that. Then third point, V8 is written in C++ and it is used in Google Chrome. So Google Chrome browser will be using this V8 engine to execute our JavaScript code. And Chrome is also open source browser from Google. And this is the very important point you should understand. V8 engine can be used independently to execute a JavaScript code or we can use our own C++ program where we can embed V8 engine into that program. So That is the reason which helped the creation of Node.js by embedding V8 into our own C++ application. So using that, we can write C++ code that gets executed when a user is going to write JavaScript code. So now you know V8 engine is written using C++. It is not written using JavaScript. But using V8 engine, we are able to execute our JavaScript code. So how this node was created? In 2009, software engineer Ryan Dell, he embedded C++ programming into browser's engine. So V8 engine is embedded inside our Chrome browser, and inside that he just embedded C++ programming, and with that he created Node.js, due to which JavaScript got more power. And apart from running inside the browser, now JavaScript can be run outside the browser. And maybe you are already aware C++ is great language for low-level operations like file handling, database connections, and network operations. And all this is not possible in JavaScript. But as we have embedded V8 into our own C++ program, now we have the power to add all the functionalities into JavaScript. And why we are able to add these functionalities? Because V8 is written in C++ language. So that is the reason whatever low level operations that can be performed in C++, all that can be performed in JavaScript with the help of Node.js. To summarize, JavaScript engine is nothing but it is used to execute our JavaScript code. In 2008, V8 engine was created by Google, and this engine is used in Chrome browser. Then V8 engine uses C++ code, and this can be run independently or it can be embedded in C++ programs. Then C++ programs with V8 engine can run ECMAScript, and also they can run custom features. Because of this, whatever features were not available in JavaScript, now with the help of Node.js, we can add that features in JavaScript. This is all about V8 engine and how this was created. The programmer, whatever C++ code he was writing, he just embedded into Chrome's V8 engine, which led to the creation of Node.js.